Are you planning to take PharmD but confused which college to choose?
Hold on, guys. Don't just go for glossy brochures or big buildings. There are mistakes students make that can ruin their 6 years of life.
So in this video, we will tell you top 7 mistakes a PharmD student can make while choosing their college in India and how to choose a right one that actually helps your career.
So hey everyone, my name is Dr. Pragya Pandey and
My name is Dr. Nilesh Sharma.
we are PharmD graduates, and today we are going to help you to choose a better college.
So let's get started.
So mistake number 1, not choosing PCI approval colleges.
और मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स ये मिस्टेक करते हैं, वो जाते हैं कॉलेज में एडमिशन ले लेते हैं, ये चेक ही नहीं करते हैं कि पीसीआई वो अप्रूवल है भी कि नहीं.
So this is non-negotiable. If the college is not approved by the Pharmacy Council of India, then your degree is worthless.
So कैसे चेक करना है आई विल टेल यू. डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक है पीसीआई का. उस पीसीआई की वेबसाइट पे जाकर अप्रूव फार्मडी कॉलेजेस पे क्लिक करें और आपके स्टेट में जो भी फार्मडी कॉलेज जो आप सोच रहे हैं इसमें एडमिशन लेने का, उसका नाम सर्च करें. अगर वो उसमें है तो इट मीन्स कि वो रजिस्टर्ड है पीसीआई द्वारा फार्मडी को रन करवाने के लिए.
So don't just go for their words. आप खुद जाइए और चेक करिए पीसीआई के वेबसाइट पे. Mistake number 2, no attached 300 bedded hospital.
ये एक सबसे बड़ा नॉर्म है कि अगर आपको फार्मडी अपने कॉलेज में रन करवाना है तो उसके साथ एक 300 बेड हॉस्पिटल एसोसिएट होना ही होना चाहिए. PharmD is not just a theoretical course. You need clinical exposure, and for that, a college must have a 300 bedded hospital attached to it, as per PCI rules.
Some colleges tie ups with small nursing homes or do MOUs with small hospitals. That's not enough. You won't get exposure to ICU rounds, case presentations, or patient counseling.
So that means no hospital, no clinical skill, no confidence, no job.
Moving forward to mistake number 3, no real faculty or only visiting professors. That is a scam.
A lot of colleges don't have a full-time faculty.
They bring in visiting doctors or BSc graduates or MSc graduates to teach PharmD students or to teach core subjects.
A college needs experienced PharmD faculty or professionals
Preferably with a PhD in pharmacy practice or clinical pharmacy.
to guide you for your projects, thesis and clinical work.
So how can you check that कि आपकी जो फैकल्टी है या जिस कॉलेज में आप जा रहे हो वो जो प्रोफेशनल्स हैं वो कितने क्वालिफाइड हैं, कितना उसको एक्सपीरियंस है. So here's the trick.
So check the college website, look for faculty qualification, designation and whether they are involved in clinical practices or research.
So you will get all the information itself on the college website कि उनका डेजिग्नेशन क्या है एंड उन्होंने क्या क्या एक्सपीरियंस कर रखा है. मिस्टेक नंबर 4, नो इंटर्नशिप और जॉब असिस्टेंस.
So some colleges promises 100% placement, but let's be honest, very few of them actually help you or guide you in job assistance. So हम लोगों के पास कई सारे DMs आते हैं जिसमें जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो बोलते हैं कि हमको कॉलेज ने प्रॉमिस किया है कि आपको 100% प्लेसमेंट मिलेगा, हम आपको इंटर्नशिप में इतना इतना स्टाइपेंड देंगे 20-25,000. बट ये सारी चीज़ें फेक हैं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है. आपको बस जो आपके टीचर्स हैं, जो फैकल्टीज हैं, उनसे आपको जो सपोर्ट चाहिए वो चाहिए कि जब आप अपने फाइनल स्टेज में हो फार्मडी के तो दे हेल्प यू कि कैसे आपको जॉब में अपने आप को रिप्रेजेंट करना है, कैसे आपको रिज्यूमे बनाना है और कैसे मार्केट कैसे चल रहा है, मार्केट ट्रेंड्स क्या हैं
एंड मार्केट रेडी प्रोडक्ट कैसे बनना है. एंड बिफोर जॉइनिंग टू एनी कॉलेज, आस्क दीज क्वेश्चंस. नंबर 1, do they have tie-ups with corporate or pharma companies? Number 2, where did their last batch get placed? Do alumni work in MNCs, hospital or abroad?
बिकॉज फाइनली इंटर्नशिप बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, वो कोई फॉर्मेलिटी नहीं है.
Moving forward to mistake number 5, which is weak labs and no research culture. Clinical pharmacy needs good lab like pharmacology, pharmacokinetic, biopharmaceutics and stimulation labs.
And if your college have one dusty lab with outdated instruments, you are missing out very much things.
Things like hands-on learning that PharmD students should supposed to offer.
And also check the students are doing research papers, winning awards, presenting papers, because that's the future. Mistake number 6, which is most important, ignoring student reviews and campus culture.
Don't just believe what college ad shows. Talk to alumni, talk to students that already living in the campus.
Ask them, are the faculty supportive? Are hospital postings regularly? And lastly, how is campus and hostel culture?
And also read Google reviews or YouTube's videos because real stories matters more than marketing. Lastly, mistake number 7, falling for low fees or free laptops. Cheap fees may sound tempting, but if the college cuts cost by compromising on faculty, hospital or labs, then it's a trap. And free laptop offers, that just a gimmick. So focus on education quality, not on freebies.
So lastly, I am going to give you some bonus tips. And if you are serious about a clinical or international career, look for NABH accredited hospitals, colleges with PharmD post-baccalaureate, opportunities from foreign electives or online add-on certifications.
And also see if college encourages you to do paper writing or conferences or GCP certifications because these things matters for your PG and job interviews.
So those were the 7 big mistakes जो आपको avoid करना है एक PharmD college choose करने से पहले.
And I hope आप सबके जो भी doubts हैं कि एक college choose करने के लिए क्या-क्या mistakes नहीं करना है हमें वो clear हो चुका होगा.
So make sure you do a research, verify, and don't forget to visit the college before making a 6-year commitment.
So if you found this video very helpful, do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment if you're facing any problem while choosing a college.